work for a logistic company, that is NORA Express company. My company where I work is general company engaged in logistic and delivery service. And now, I want to tell you about my job responsibility as a warehouse supervisor. Let's check it out. In my job, I am fully responsible for overseeing and coordinate daily warehousing activity by implementing quality, productivity, production, and customer service standard. I will be responsible for achieving the appropriate level of volume within relevant time limits. But more than that, I have the following job specification as a warehouse supervisor. Number 1. Supervising warehouse staff and daily activity. Here, I closely monitor how my employees work in processing this order and ensure that products are stored and shipped in an accurate and efficient manner. Number 2. Managing, evaluating, and reporting on warehouse productivity. This is a challenge for me because, of course, warehouse productivity must be improved every time. Number 3. Tracking and coordinating the receipt, storage, and timely delivery of goods and material. Receipt of goods from customer must be done with efficient and stored properly. This is to maintain the trust of customer. Besides that, punctuality is a priority in the company's service to customer. Number 4. Checking orders, bills, item received, inventory, and deliveries for accuracy. As a supervisor, I also routinely check the quantity and condition of orders goods to maintain effectiveness and support the efficiency of logistical activity and facilitate the achievement of company goals where accuracy and ability to record accurate data are required here. And number 5 is maintaining records, reporting relevant information, and preparing any necessary documentation. It is important that everything is clear between us and the customer. Number 6 is ensuring basic maintenance standard and complying with health and safety regulation. Number 7 is coordinating and maintaining fleets and equipment. My job here, of course, is not only centered on the interior of warehouse, but also include coordinating with the distribution department regarding the appropriate fleets for use in delivery goods. Number 8 and the last is communicating and coordinating with other department and customer. Yes, one of my tasks is to closely monitor how the progress of the orders that the company receives. It will help minimize error in receiving and sending the product. Therefore, communication and coordination with this department or customer is very necessary. Maybe those are just some of my responsibility as a warehouse supervisor. An outstanding warehouse supervisor should be dependable and have excellent organizational and time management skill. A person with amicable personality are easy to talk to and they are driven by tangible results. And I always try to be someone like that. Become a successful warehouse supervisor. Okay, thanks for listening little story about my works. See you. Bye.
Hello, my name is Aldifa Yuanita. I am work for Garuda Cargo as a warehouse manager. Who does know Garuda Cargo? Yes, Garuda Indonesia Cargo is one of Garuda Indonesia Strategic Business Unit or SBU, which is engaged in logistics. In my work, I am responsible for many things. First, as a warehouse manager, I am responsible for carrying out logistic management, namely manage the system to oversee the flow process from logistics, from storage, strategic delivery of material or spare parts, as well as finished goods or final products so that they can be maximally utilized. Of course, I have to be responsible for strategic managing warehouse in accordance with company policy and vision. Its aim to achieve the company target according to the initial plan and prevent work accident in the warehouse. I am also responsible for overseeing receiving, warehousing, distribution, and maintenance so that the entry and exit of goods from the warehouse can be accounted for in a work report and prevent loss of goods. Then I am also responsible for setting up layout and ensure efficient space utilization so that warehousing activity can run smoothly because the items are organized neatly and clearly. Moreover, I am responsible for maintaining standards of health and safety, hygiene and security, manage stock control and reconcile with data storage system, prepare annual budget, liaise with client, supplier and transport company, and recruiting, selecting, directing, training and motivating employee. I think enough time for me to explain about my job responsibility. Thank you for watching and listening this video. See you later.